Welcome to Quiz Whiz. This is the ultimate nerd questions. Test your brain with 90 questions about science, gaming, movies, comics, and more. Before we start, can you help me reach 1,000 subscribers? It will really motivate me to do more quizzes. Sharing, liking, and commenting will also help. Let's start. What particle has a negative electric charge? Electron. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element on Earth? Uranium. What planet has the strongest gravity in the solar system? Jupiter. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. What organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What type of energy is stored in chemical bonds? Chemical energy. What is the speed of light in a vacuum measured in kilometers per second? (300,000 kilometers per second). What galaxy is Earth located in? Milky Way. What is the term for animals that can live on land and water? Amphibians. What branch of science studies matter and energy? Physics. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the name of our galaxy's central black hole? Sagittarius asterisk. What is the value of pi rounded to 2 decimal places? (3.14). What is a 10-sided polygon called? Decagon. What is the square root of 256? (16). What branch of math deals with shapes and sizes? Geometry. If A equals 1, B equals 2, what does C plus D equal? Seven. What is 12 raised to 3? One 1,728. What do you call a number divisible only by 1 and itself? Prime number. What is the Fibonacci number after 34? 55. What is the binary equivalent of decimal 8? 1,000. What is the Roman numeral for 500? 'D'. What do you call an angle larger than 90 degrees? Obtuse angle. What is the term for the longest side of a right triangle? Hypotenuse. What is the derivative of x squared? Two x. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? (180 degrees). What is the mathematical study of moving objects? Calculus. What is the name of Mario's brother? Luigi. What mineral is used to craft nether portals in Minecraft? Obsidian. In Pokemon, what type is super effective against water? Electric. What game features a character named Master Chief? Halo. What is the name of the princess Link rescues? Zelda. What is the in-game currency of Roblox? Robux. In Among Us, what role completes tasks? Crewmate. What color ghost is Blinky in Pac-Man? Red. What is the highest rarity of items in Fortnite? Legendary. What is Sonic the Hedgehog's primary color? Blue. What type of game is Clash of Clans? Strategy. In Genshin Impact, what nation is associated with lightning? Inazuma? What series features the phrase, "Praise the sun"? Dark Souls. In Pokemon, what is Pikachu's evolution? Raichu. What game includes the map Death 2? Counter-Strike. What is the name of the AI in Iron Man suit? Jarvis. What is the metal that makes up Wolverine's skeleton? Adamantium. What movie features the quote, "I am inevitable"? Avengers Endgame. Which sci-fi film features lightsabers? Star Wars. Who is Batman's butler? Alfred. What is the name of the wizarding school in Harry Potter? Hogwarts. What organization does Nick Fury lead? SHIELD. Which hero lifts Thor's hammer in Avengers Endgame? Captain America. What sci-fi franchise features Klingons? Star Trek. What trilogy includes The One Ring? The Lord of the Rings. What is the name of the blue Na'vi planet in Avatar? Pandora. What character says winter is coming? Ned Stark. What is Eleven's favorite food in Stranger Things? Eggo waffles. What anime features the attack Kamehameha? Dragon Ball. In Star Wars, who is Luke Skywalker's father? Darth Vader. What is Spider-Man's real name? Peter Parker. What is Batman's real identity? Bruce Wayne. What metal is Captain America's shield made of? Vibranium. What is Superman's weakness? Kryptonite. Who is the villain in Avengers: Infinity War? Thanos. What superhero team includes Cyclops and Wolverine? X-Men. What is Wonder Woman's real name? Diana Prince. Which hero is known as the Dark Knight? Batman. What is the main city where Iron Man operates? New York City. Who created Spider-Man? Stan Lee. What superhero can shrink to the size of an ant? Ant-Man. Which superhero is also known as Scarlet Speedster? The Flash. Who is Thor's brother? Loki. What superhero has claws and heals quickly? Wolverine. What Marvel hero is a genius billionaire playboy? Tony Stark. What programming language is known for snake logo? Python. What company created the first iPhone? Apple. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. What is the main search engine used worldwide? Google. What is the name of the first electronic computer? ENIAC. What technology is used for cryptocurrency? Blockchain. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. What company created Windows operating system? Microsoft. What is the name of the main memory in a computer? RAM. What programming language is used for Android apps? Java. What planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Who developed the theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What is H2 commonly known as? Water. What is the first element on the periodic table? Hydrogen. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A U. Congratulations! You have finished today's quiz. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment what quiz you want to see next.